When it comes to home inspections, stucco defects are one of the most common issues home buyers encounter, and it's not something that you could easily ignore. In fact, neglecting stucco problems could cost you thousands of dollars in repairs down the line. So, what should you do if your home inspection reveals stucco defects? Let's find out. Stucco is a common exterior finish used in many homes, but if it's not maintained properly, defects can develop that affect your home's value, safety, and even structural integrity. From minor cracks to major buckling or rust, stucco defects can range from a purely cosmetic issues to serious red flags. Let's break down the most common stucco problems you'll find during your home inspection and how to handle them. During your home inspection, you might encounter a few different types of stucco defects. Some of the most common include cracks, holes, buckling, and even rust or corrosion around the metal lath. These defects often stem from either poor installation or improper maintenance. Small hairline cracks are often cosmetic and don't pose major risk, but larger cracks or holes can allow moisture to penetrate the walls, which can lead to mold or water damage over time. Buckling or rust can be a sign of deeper structural issues, and if not addressed, it could lead to further deterioration. So how do you know when it's a big issue or something that could be easily fixed? Remember, stucco defects can arise from various causes, such as weather conditions, improper installation, or neglecting maintenance. Identifying whether it's a major issue or a simple fix starts with assessing the severity of the defect. For instance, small hairline cracks caused by normal expansion and contraction are often cosmetic and can be repaired with patching and sealing. However, wider cracks, buckling, or discoloration may signal water intrusion or structural damage underneath the stucco. Rust or corrosion around the metal lath can indicate prolonged exposure to moisture, which might compromise the home's integrity. To determine the extent of the issue, look for accompanying signs like damp walls, mold, or soft spots. When in doubt, bring in a specialist to perform a moisture test or more detailed assessment that can provide clarity. Minor problems are typically straightforward to address, but significant defects are often require a professional remediation to prevent costly long-term damage. So if your inspection report reveals stucco defects, what do you do next? Should you walk away from the house, negotiate for repairs, or simply fix it yourself? If you're dealing with small cracks or holes, it might be worth asking the seller for repair credits, or asking the seller to make repairs, or simply make repairs yourself. However, if the stucco defects are more severe, like significant rust or buckling, it's worth bringing in a specialist to assess the damage. Don't assume it's a minor issue just because it looks small on the surface. Negotiate repairs or get an estimate on the cost of repairs before making your final decision. At the end of the day, addressing stucco defects is crucial to maintaining the safety and value of your home. Whether it's a small cosmetic crack or more serious issues, it's essential to understand the severity of the problem and what repairs may be necessary. Don't let stucco issues slip through the cracks. Be proactive and keep your home investment secure. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more insights on navigating home inspections. And if you had any issues on your home or during your home inspection that involve stucco defects, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video and stay safe.